Hi traders, and welcome to the daily recap show for today, which is Thursday the 17th of March. So we said this morning that 72.50 to 72.60 was support, and whilst above there the FTSE was cautiously bullish. We said 73.60 to 73.75 could provide resistance, but we said if we got a sustained break below 72.50 to 60, we could see moves towards 72.15 to 72.25. So let's go and see how. We also said 72.82 to 92 could provide aggressive support. So let's go and see how the market played out today. Okay, so the market actually came down and tested this aggressive support area pre-market, and we got a nice strong reaction from that zone pre-market. So we then, when we come down and revisit it after the cash open, we'd already had this reaction. We didn't see any reversal signals in that area. We did, however, see a push down to that 72.50 to 72.60 zone, and you can see that that held really nicely, and there was reversal signals in here to get long from that support zone. That's worked quite nicely. We are now starting to see that move up towards 73.60 to 73.75 resistance. We haven't quite made it yet, but we're certainly well underway, and we would have definitely, if we'd got long from this zone, or if anyone has got long from this zone, you should be risk managing this trade and taking profits, and certainly have booked profits on this trade by now with your ultimate target up here if you haven't already taken full profits. I personally, I didn't manage to get long on this trade. It's a very nice trade, but I was fairly busy this morning. But I would have been probably booking profits in this area here myself, as that had provided resistance earlier on in the session. So there was a really nice opportunity to get long there and book your profits around this zone. If you haven't already, as I say, we're well on the way to the target, the full target of 73.60 to 73.75. So now let's go and have a look at the DAX today. So this morning we said that aggressive support on the DAX was around 14.415 to 14.440. And if we saw sustained breaks below there, it opened up moves towards 14.185 to 14.210. So let's go and have a look and see how the DAX played out today. So again, a bit like the FTSE, we did test this 14.415 to 14.440 aggressive support in the pre-market session. We did get a nice strong reaction from there. Once the market opened, we did come down, we retested that area again, and notice how we pushed through that area and then held it as resistance here. So we got a nice strong acceptance below the zone, pull back, and a really nice continuation pattern there for a good shorting opportunity. So the markets weren't really in sync today. The FTSE has held its main support zones, and DAX has pushed a little bit low. We haven't quite made that lower 14.185 to 14.210 zone where the FTSE's recovered this afternoon. The DAX has continued to head a little bit lower. So some really nice continuation pattern there for a short. And also some other opportunities to get short. There's another nice continuation pattern there as well. So again, the plenty of opportunity if you had got short to risk manage these trades and get book some profits. And at the moment, all the time we are below that 14.415 to 14.440 zone. We do still have the potential to go and hit this this zone around 14.200, which could act as support. So we'll watch that overnight, see where we are again in the morning. This zone of support could be fairly key in the morning depending on the overnight price action, but we'll update you in tomorrow morning's reports. So I hope you found this useful, and a couple of good opportunities there today on the FTSE and the DAX. Please let me know what you think of the reports. Come sign up to the Keyzone service, come join the Keyzone Traders community, join our Discord channels where we give out these morning reports every morning before the markets open, so you can take advantage of these reports that we're providing. So I hope you found this useful, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Cheers.